Hello everyone, welcome to DC Talks. Today we are going to meet Dikshita. Dikshita, can you give us a small intro of yours?
Yeah, hi. So my name is Dikshita and I completed my BTech from Triple E background and now I'm currently working as an embedded software engineer in a medtech company.
Okay. Okay. Can you tell me what kind of job you are doing? Means how many years is there you started working after completing your BTech?
Yeah, this is my first job. For past 2 years, I'm working as an embedded software engineer and I work in a robotic company.
Okay.
In that, my role was embedded software engineer.
Okay. So this is the first time you go out from your house, right?
Yeah.
How it feels like you are like
So actually, I feel so excited since this is my first job after my graduation. And until my graduation, also, I was in the city where I never step out of the city. So this is the first time I stepped out, and it is like taking a new challenge.
okay,
And
girl handling everything outside there. How is the first day at your office? Is it exciting or challenging?
it's exciting for me actually, maybe since it is the first time I'm entering into the corporate world. It is so exciting. I met new people. I came to know many things, how corporate works. Yeah,
Okay, and how it's like? Do you feel challenges like going, or you are excited about what work you are going to do because it's from your own background, or you
yeah,
feel challenges? Okay, okay, going for some places which you don't know.
yeah. Actually, it is combination of both. I was excited, and there are little challenges where I faced. Since it is a first company, and the first job which you have going out and working, so it will be a bit challenging also, but you will be excited to know the new things, how it works and all. So it is good. It is combination. It's a mixture of both excitement and challenging.
Okay. So, what do you think in that tech world, their diversity is needed? Like, women should, like, more girls should be there because, as per the report, few girls are only there in the tech field. So, girls generally, no big names are there. So, what do you think? Diversity is needed or not? Like in the corporate tech world, mostly.
Yeah, needed actually. Diversity is needed. So when diversity is there, we'll come up with new ideas. Each person will come up with the new ideas. So it might help you in, since I'm working in a product-based company, it will help to bring out a product with new technologies, new ideas, everything. It will come up a good product in the final. So diversity is required.
Okay. So, what challenges did you face and how did you overcome all those challenges?
Yeah. So
See,
there are
like
challenges.
first, the city is not known for you. You went out
Yeah.
first time. The workplace is totally new, and sometime it happens. It might happen you did something wrong because definitely when you are new, things are totally new for you also. So some mistake might will happen. How you face those challenges? Some comments of your colleagues and your senior. What your take on it?
Yeah, it is actually a bit challenging since it is a new city for me, and the language over here is totally different. That is the biggest challenge I faced after coming here.
Okay.
Still, I am learning the language, and here the thing is, they speak only Tamil since I'm working in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, and they don't encourage the other state language at all. Definitely, we should learn
Yeah,
either
they
Tamil.
have a proud on their own language. That is
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
uh,
Yeah, yeah,
then you face the challenges in communication and how you tackle the comment. If you did something wrong, your manager will come and say, see, you did something wrong, or your colleague like colleague something this anyhow 2 years already passed. So
Yeah,
you faces those challenges because you never been before outside in hostel or anywhere, so these things must be new for you. So how
yeah,
to
yeah.
handle those things?
So it's actually new for me, but the thing you have to adopt everything what you have done, and the thing, and you have to be like, don't react immediately if someone says something to you. First think how to do it again. Like again, you should not repeat that mistake. If you have if you have done, you have to know how to rectify it. Okay, the mistakes will be done. We are all are humans, so obviously we will be doing something wrong.
Don't take
So
it personally, like.
yeah, don't take it personally, and you have to think of how to rectify it.
Okay. And sometime some manager or some senior person will react not because of your fault. Sometimes they have their own issues, the project submissions and something like that. It's just you in front of them. It's outburst. It's not all in. What I learned in office culture, we should not take work seriously. I think comment.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Those comments you have to not take any more seriously. You have to just listen them, leave it until there itself. You
If
don't
you
no
work
need
on
to
it,
take it.
do it. Otherwise, leave as it is. Right.
Yeah, 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 yeah. It's true actually. No need to bring out of the office and think on it. No need to feel bad for it actually. It might happen. It will resolve on the time being.
Good. And how is your job empower you? Like, what is the role of your job that empowered your like your personality and all?
Yeah, actually in the beginning I was like zero when I entered. Frankly speaking, when I entered this field, I don't have any experience. But later, when I keep on doing practically the things and doing coding and all, then I was like, okay, now I am also able to do. I got that courage, like, now I can also do it. So
While doing, while it take times
yeah,
to.
yeah, definitely. It will take time, but you'll keep on gradually you'll keep on learning the things.
Okay.
So it is like that.
So, in what language you are working on it? Can you speak more about your project?
Yeah, I'm working with embedded C, basically C only. So till now I have made coding or something with the C language, C
Mhm.
programming. But what I have been doing is I will be doing for the microcontrollers. Since
Okay.
I am from the electronics background,
Mhm.
so we will be programming microchips, microcontrollers, and those,
Okay.
and we will be using for the smart technologies like how IoT or something is being now the trend. So the same thing we are going to do.
So you do
Yeah.
programming on C. So can you give some advice to new girls, those who are going to join the new city for a work and all? What the advice would you like to give them?
So it's a good step if you come out of your city and start doing something good, like your job or a career. There will be good growth, and you will know how to face the challenges. When you come out, then you understand how is the world, how are the people around you, how to react to them if something happened, how to manage, how to handle the things. You will learn many things. You with the experience, you learn lessons in the life.
With the problem,
So
those if you suffer some problem, if you go through it, then only you become more confident and
yeah,
uh,
yeah, that's true actually. So you will learn many things when you step out. You will know how to stand independent and how to be strong and bold enough to handle any situation.
okay. What challenges did you face? Like one language challenges you ask us, okay, language challenge.
Yeah,
What
yeah,
else means? How is your parents reacted and how means first you are? I think you are a single daughter. For
yeah,
that. So how is your parents react when you go first time outside the house and for doing job? What is their take on it?
yeah. They are happy to send me since they also want me to see in a good position in my career. So they are happy to see me doing a good thing. But one thing I would like to say that there should be a two-way trust on each other, either on parents or on you.
Okay.
So that will definitely make you comfortable and them also comfortable. And you can achieve more things, you can do a great things. No
Yeah.
one will stop you in doing anything.
Once the family in peace, they trust you, they are also
Yeah.
not in chaos, and you are also feel protected and safe outside, right there, right?
Yeah. Yeah, yeah. But you have to manage by yourself everything you have to do. But those things also you will be learning actually.
Okay.
Till now you will be in the home or your mother or father, everything will be doing for you. So you you
Comfort
will
zone.
be like in the comfort zone. So when you come out from it, you will know how to do the things. You will learn things, how to do the things and all. These
Yeah.
all are lessons actually when you step out of the house.
Okay. So one more thing, one basic questions the young generation have. कि after doing graduation, they go for the masters
Yeah.
or MTech and or MBA. What your opinion on it? Like,
So I feel like after your graduation, better work for 1 year or 2 year, then you go for the higher studies,
ah,
such that you will have an experience of how to handle the things or how the corporate world is. Many people don't know how the corporate world is. Like after I also entered this world, then I came to know the corporate world will be this much and all the thing, how it works and all. So you have to know, you have to face those challenges. It is an experience, and yeah, you have a small part of your life. One phase of your life is the working in a corporate.
okay.
So better, my suggestion is do for 1 or 2 years,
Have
uh,
experience,
have
then
experience,
then you
then you
can
can go
decide
for
go for technical or management side, right?
yeah, 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 yeah. You can go for higher studies either for MTech or MBA or anything.
Totally true. Totally, it's a good one. So presently, in which project you are working for? Like, how much project you completed, and what project right now you are working? I think robotics.
Yeah, yeah. So we are in medical domain robotics. We are making a product which is a laparoscopic surgical unit.
Oh wow.
Yeah. So the robotic surgery will be done.
Okay,
So for the
do
lab,
the surgery things. So how much
yeah.
percent is successful? It's really going to be happen that doctor is going to sit and robot is going to do surgery, or
No, actually, I think many people don't know robotic surgery means that no need of person, you think, or a surgeon is not required. Many people think, but it's not true. Surgeon is required. But so I want to say the difference actually. Laparoscopic, surgeon will stand and he or she will be doing with their hands,
okay,
basically, the surgery.
okay,
It's a keyhole surgery. Laparoscopic is also keyhole surgery, but they'll be doing with their hands, standing at the patient and doing.
okay.
Whereas in the robotic surgery, the surgeon will be sitting at the surgeon console. There will be a console where he will sit and just move the robotic arms. How he move his arms by standing at the patient, he will be doing the same by sitting at the patient.
Dikshita, your voice is breaking. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
So now it's fine.
Yeah, it's fine. So you are
Yeah.
seeing
So
like that ki a doctor is sitting with a robot, right? With the console.
no, console. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
exactly.
and he's giving the direction to the robot how to do work.
Yeah, yeah,
So
exactly.
you are thinking a doctor also must have a technical background. They must trained to that software, that robot.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. The surgeon has to be trained for that robot and that for that system. So there will be a clinical engineers who train them.
Okay, that's a
So
new thing, new challenges, and this is the new world is
yeah,
going to come. AI era
yeah, yeah,
on the set. So
yeah, yeah. So
let
the system is with every technology. We have AI technology also in it. Head tracking things will be done by AI. So
definitely.
we have to take many safety precautions since it is related to a health or something. So we should be very medical.
So, can you give a short difference, like what you think? AI is taking the job or creating a job?
No, I feel AI is not taking a job, it is creating a job. Uh, so like we will be AI will teach us more. We will be knowing until maybe a
Doing your
few things
job
about it.
more fine tune, I think.
Yeah, it will be fine tuning actually. I feel that is true. It will not take job.
Now the how I take AI is as a tools. Better if you use
Yeah,
better the way the result, the output will be in that way.
yeah,
Okay, so you are loving your job, right?
yeah, yeah, obviously.
So what you do with your money? This is totally personal question, but yeah, one lump sum so that the new girls must know what to do with them. They know how
Yeah,
to spend, but what you exactly do with it?
yeah, definitely. Every person has to know how to manage their money. Like financial budgeting also should be known to everyone, each and everyone. I would say when you step out, as you asked in the previous question, definitely they will learn how to manage the money also. Financial things, how to how to manage them, they will be knowing. So
That should be the
I
life lessons. I think managing time, managing money is the
managing money.
every kids, every new generation, those who are going out there, or a person who is handling a big amount of money, they should learn the time
Yeah,
management and money. Okay.
yeah, yeah, definitely.
So, did you take any course classes, or you are handling by some suggestions?
No, I didn't take any course or classes, but from my father's suggestions, I am going to handle my financial things.
That is the biggest one, na? The one who is your financial manager. From that to take advice, that is the safest and the
Yeah,
coolest thing.
yeah, that is true actually. I personally, everything I'll ask my father and then only I'll take some decision.
That's totally okay. So, okay, Dikshita, lovely talking to you. Can you tell me
Yeah.
something about Destiny Curve? How you feel like that?
Yeah, Destiny Curves is really a good initiative which is taken by you, where you're empowering the women all together, like who does small businesses and all, or small entrepreneurs. You make them together and make their business grow by taking them out. Till now, they were inside where no one knows. Because of Destiny Curves, now everyone will be knowing. So, what is them? So, that is a very good initiative. It's nice, actually.
Like it's started like my dream also. We can connect more people and more women can get benefited out of it. So it's
Yeah, yeah, definitely.
lovely talking to you, Dikshita. And I hope soon you will give the articles on robotics and the work you do. We are waiting for it.
Yeah, yeah, sure, definitely. Nice talking to you.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye.
Stepping out from home for the first time, it's never easy. But Dikshita, embedded software engineer, took that leap with courage. We will back with another inspiring story of everyday women. Because if they can do it, so can you. So, have a wonderful day. Bye bye.